Here's lesson 113, number 10. It wants to know if 5 goes in, or how do they say that? Does it go into this? It says, see if it's a root of the following polynomial equation. So if 5 is a root of that polynomial, then you can use synthetic division to find out. Or I mean, if you want to know whether 5 is a root, you can use synthetic division. So this was, the 1 is the coefficient of the, my book is so far away, is the coefficient of the x to the 4th term, and then that's the x to the cube. There was no x to the cubed, so that's what is a 0, and then that's x squared, x, and there's my constant. Okay, so synthetic division, we just learned it. I would think you guys know it from Algebra 2. You bring down the 1, and then you go 5 times 1 is 5, and then you add 0 plus 5 is 5. If I get a 0 remainder, I'm going to say yes, it's a root. If I don't get a 0 remainder, I'm going to say no, it's not a root. So the first step is bring down the 1, 5 times 1, sometimes I go like this, 5 times 1 is 5. Add these, 0 plus 5 is 5. And then 5 times 5 is 25. Add these and get 15. 5 times 15 is, I'm pretty sure it's 75, but I need to check that. 75. Okay, 75 minus 40 is 35. And I'm going to get a calculator. I know, you guys can do it without a calculator, but I needed a calculator. 35 times 5 is 35 times 5 is 175. So that turns out nicely because when I add these two, I get a 0. So you're going to say yes, it is a root. So if you can divide it in using synthetic division into the coefficients of the polynomial, and it goes in evenly, or in other words, there's no remainder, we're going to say it's a root.